Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our hexagon coaster.
Stay tuned. And we're back. In this video today, we are going to be pressing our Unisub hexagon coaster. So let's get started.
Okay, we designed this in Photoshop, and we're going to print using our SG500. Here we go. We're going to adhere it to our paper using our thermal tape. And I'm just going to trim this paper up a little bit.
You, of course, could gang up your images or print a different design on the sheet as well.
Jamie?
Okay, so today we are going to be using our Hottronics Fusion. I am going to be placing a piece of silicone on my bottom platen. You can also use Teflon. I am going to be pressing with my image face down on the substrate. Cover again with a silicone sheet. We are going to be pressing at 385 degrees for 60 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, we are going to be using our thermal gloves. And then remove. And we do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, and there is our finished product. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.